So I modded my Game Boy Color a few weeks ago, and by that I mean I upgraded the screen. I've put in an IPS extra large one, which looks gorgeous by the way, and I also swapped the housing to a beautiful clear transparent shell. As I'm doing my own buttons now, I figured I put some into that Game Boy, but there was missing one crucial step to bring this project just over the edge. And this is where this LED button kit comes in. And today we're gonna put the buttons and the LED kit into my daily driver. I'm Paul, this is my little mod shop, and let's dive right in. Now, this is a LED kit made by Retro6, and I've decided I go with that one as it's actually the cheapest option I had to light up my buttons. And with that one out of the way, let's go right into the Game Boy. First, I remove all the tri-wing screws and gently open up the back of the shell. With that out of the way, there are 3 screws left holding in the motherboard. And right after that, I need to disconnect the IPS screen from the motherboard. I carefully take it out and flip it, as it is still connected with some wires to the IPS screen. These wires are to control the onboard options of the screen, but I will get rid of them today as I already put in the settings I wanted and I have no plans switching them up at all. So I take out my good old soldering iron, remove them and clean up the excess solder from the test points on the board. Then it was time for the LED kit. I did a quick test fit, and after watching the tutorial provided by Retro6, I found that I need to remove the battery indicator LED on the top left of the board. And right after that, I fixed the LED kit on the board with a piece of heat resistant tape. Make sure to line it up correctly. I found that it's best to shift the LED kit just a smidge to the left. From there on, it is smooth sailing. Just solder up all the test points and don't forget the ground, 5V and battery connection. I wanted to do a quick test fit, and on the way there I removed the other ends of the wires to the IPS screen. Now they are gone for good. I clean up the flex PCB with some IPA, and the next step is the most difficult one, choosing the buttons. I have some different buttons in the pipeline, but ready to go are only these 2 sets. I've decided to go with the Ocean Blue Champagne set. So out with the old clear buttons and in with the new ones. I currently don't have custom start and select buttons, as I've simply forgot them last time I made the molds. Silly me. The last step for today, putting everything back together, and don't forget any screws. They are so bright. Oh god. Nice. The LEDs in the kit I've got are plain white, but there are plenty of different options to choose from, and there is also an easy way to set the brightness of the LEDs as well. Just hold down start and select for a moment and you can cycle through turning the LEDs off, down or up. I've dimmed mine down quite a bit, for example. I am so happy with the outcome of this Game Boy, and I think it just looks great in every way. Now I have a good template to show off my DIY Game Boy buttons for future reference, and I must say I did not expect the install of the LED kit to be so fast and clean. So there we have it, my new and improved daily driver. I hope you learned something from this video, and maybe you feel inspired to try out some of these easy mods yourself. I'll link all the mods and kits down below so you can check them out on your own. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the quick ride through LED City, I kindly ask for a like or even a subscription for more videos like this one. And what do you want to see next on this channel? A GameCube controller overhaul, for example? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm Paul, this is my little mod shop, and I see you around.